Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called multiple linear regression or MLR. In short, MLR, also known as simply multiple regression, it is a statistical technique that uses several explanatory variables to predict the outcome of a response variable. The goal of multiple linear regression is to model the linear relationship between the explanatory independent variables and the response, which is a dependent variable. In essence, multiple regression is the extension of ordinary least square regression because it involves more than one explanatory variable. What is MLR can do? It can tell you simple linear regression is a function that allows an analyst or a statistician to make prediction about one variable based on the information that is known about another variable. Linear regression can only be used when one has two continuous variable, an independent and another one dependent variable. The independent variable is the parameter that is used to calculate the dependent variable or the outcome. A multiple regression model extends to several explanatory variables. Examples of how to use MLR is an analyst may want to know how the movement of market affects the prices of a ExxonMobil stock. In this case, their linear equation will have the value of S&P 500 index as the independent variable or predictor and the price of XOM as a dependent variable. In reality, multiple factors predict the outcome of an event. The price movement of ExxonMobil, for example, depends upon more than just the performance of the overall market. Other predictors such as the price of oil, interest rate, and the price movement of oil futures can affect the price of the stock and the stock prices of other oil companies. To understand a relationship in which more than two variables are present, MLR is used. Thanks for watching. Bye.